Hello students, today in this lecture we are going to start our 11th trigonometry, right, with a definition of angles. In earlier classes you learn about angle and you learn that union of two rays, suppose you are taking this is one ray OA and another ray OB, right? Then, right, union of this ray OA and OB with this initial point, same initial point, right, is called angle. And suppose this is theta, then this is denoted as angle BOA. You learn this, right? Union of any two rays with starting same initial points. This is your initial point, right? Is called angle and read as BOA, angle BOA. But now in 11th standard your definition is changed, right? So we define angle here by the amount of rotation of rays with respect to this initial rays, right? So let us start with definition of angle, of new concept. Angle, when a ray OA, this ray OA, right, starting from its initial point, this is O, that is your initial point, this is initial point O, right? Initial position OA rotates about its end point O. Now this OA is rotates about like this. If we rotate like this, right, and see this is the rotation with end point O same, right, about its end point O and takes the final position OB. And if rays takes the final position OB, right, then we say that the angle AOB or AOB, written as angle AOB, right, has been formed, and the amount of rotation from the initial side to the terminal side. So this is your initial side. So this is initial side. Amount of rotation, that is this theta here, right? Theta is the amount of rotation from initial side to terminal side. So this is your terminal side, is called the angle, right? So this is the definition of 11th standard. And in earlier classes you learned union of two rays is called the angle with same initial point. But here angle is depend on the rotation, direction of the rotations, right? So here from in this figure, this is your initial side OA. From starting from this, we rotate this, right, this ray OA, and this ray OA takes this final position OB, then it's called the terminal side, and starting side, actual initial side, this is called initial side, right? Now मैंने जैसे बताया आपको कि जो डायरेक्शन में एंगल हम रोटेट करेंगे उस डायरेक्शन में उसका नेम आएगा, राइट? सो देयर इज अ two types of angle, positive and negative angles, right? Suppose this is your initial side, and if you rotate this ray OA in anti-clockwise direction, so this is anti-clockwise direction is this, because clockwise direction is this, direction is clockwise direction, so this is your anti-clockwise direction, right? Then its final position is this OB, that is this is your terminal side and this is your initial side. Then this angle is said to be a positive angle. Then angle is said to be a positive angle. And if this ray OA, that is initial ray OA, right, rotates this ray OA, rotates in clockwise direction. So clockwise direction means this is the clockwise direction. So this is rotating, right? Then the final position is this. Then this is called a negative angle. This is called a negative angle. So here it is indicated in this figure. मैंने ये फिगर में सब बताया, मगर यहाँ भी ड्रॉ करके आपको एक्सप्लेन किया तो आपको थोड़ा पता चले प्रॉपर्ली, राइट? सो positive angle, this is your initial side, this is terminal side, as I explained you, right? And this angle theta is called a positive angle, right? So we are moving here in anti-clockwise direction, and if you move in clockwise direction, then this angle is called a negative angle, right? So if we move anti-clockwise direction, see, this is a new thing. Suppose this is your initial ray. ये आपका initial ray है with initial point vertex O A. This is A. So this is your initial ray, right? If we move anti-clockwise and comes to here, that is, this is your final position OB, right? We are rotating initial ray OA starting from here. This is OA. So we are moving in anti-clockwise direction like this, right? And this ray OA becomes now rays OB, right? Then this rotation is called a 360 degree positive, is called a positive 360 degree, right? That is one complete rotation, right? One complete rotation is equal to 360 degree, that you know, right? And if you move this ray, initial ray OA, right, and in the direction of anti-clockwise, instead of that, here we move in anti-clockwise direction, right? So this is your anti-clockwise direction. Now instead of that, if we move in clockwise direction, तो क्या होगा? So if we move in clockwise direction, so this angle, right? See, from here, this angle starting from OA, this is your initial direction, right? Now we move in clockwise direction, right? We move through clockwise direction. Then this rays moves in this direction. So this is going, and then it takes a final position here. That is, initial position is B. Then this angle, this angle is said to be minus 360 degree. This is said to be a minus 360 degree. Got it? So one complete rotation means a 360 positive degree if we go in anti-clockwise direction, and one complete rotation means from where you are starting, जहां से आपने start किया वहीं वापस आना है. That is called a 360 degree, one complete rotation, right? If we go anti-clockwise, then that is a 360 plus rotation, right? And this is minus 360. One complete rotation is equal to minus 360 degree for clockwise direction, and for anti-clockwise direction is equal to plus 360 degree. One complete rotation is equal to 360 degree. So remember this thing, right? Now suppose we take draw some few angles, right? Suppose this is your initial ray OA. This is initial ray OA, and the last position, that is, this is your terminal ray. Then this angle is said to be a 90 angle. So that is called right angle, right? In which direction? We are going in anti-clockwise direction. So these all are anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So these angle all are in anti-clockwise direction. Suppose starting from here, this is your initial point O A is initial ray, right? And we move up to this ray to here, and this is your final position, right? Then this is your OB is the final, that is final is terminal side. This is your initial side. So this is initial side, and this angle in anti-clockwise direction is called a 180 degree. Is called 180 degree, right? Suppose from here, this is initial ray ON, and we move up to here, a rotation of 30 degree in anti-clockwise direction. This is your terminal side OB. Then this is called a 30 degree, right? Then suppose this is your initial ray OA. We move anti-clockwise direction to 270 degree. This is called 270 degree, because this is your terminal side OB and this is initial side OA. Right? Now if we go clockwise direction, right? For clockwise direction we are doing some few angles. So this is in clockwise direction, this is your initial ray OA. This is initial ray OA. Right? Now suppose we rotate this to in clockwise direction 30 degree, then this angle is said to be clockwise direction, means negative angle. So this is called a minus 30 degree. Right? Similarly, if you want to draw a angle OA of 110 degree minus, so sign is minus given, you have to go in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction is always negative and anti-clockwise direction is positive, right? So you have to go in clockwise direction. Now you know this is your 90 angle. So 90 plus 20. So you have to go up to move up to here, right? This is OB, this is terminal side. So this angle is of minus 110 degree, right? Suppose you want to draw angle of 420 degree. Angle of 420 degree. Now one complete rotation is 360 degree and this is given positive. So if we draw this, OA is your terminal side, is your OA is your initial side, then you have to move 360 degree in anti-clockwise direction as angle given is positive. So this is your complete one rotation. This complete one rotation, that is this is up to here, this is your 360 degree. Then 360 plus 60. So this is OB, right? This is again 60. So this angle now is called a 420 degree. So if you draw angle 420 degree, then you can draw like this, 360 plus 60. So this is your complete 420 degree angle, right? So after one complete the rotation and plus adding 60, so 360 plus 60 is 420 degree. So I hope आपको पता चला होगा. तो क्या सीखा हमने यही एक ही बात सीखी कि angle means you have to starting from ray OA to move. If you move in anti-clockwise direction, angle is positive. And the amount of rotation is called the angle. If you move 30 degree like this, if you move 30 degree in clockwise direction, that is minus, anti-clockwise direction, that is plus angle, right? So amount of the rotation from initial side to terminal side is called the angle. And if rotation is in clockwise direction, then angle is negative, and rotation is in positive anti-clockwise direction, then positive. Right? that you have to remember. And the one complete rotation in anti-clockwise direction is 360 degree, and in clockwise direction is minus 360 degree, that you have to remember. Okay, got it?